After a lot of uncertainty near the top, whether we were going to break out or drop, we have finally got the crash we are looking for. And it's looking oddly similar to the top of the previous bear flag pattern here, where we saw a reading up in neutral and received red dots, signaling sell signals and an imminent drop. As the price moves down, it is crucial that you know how to find where the exact bottom is likely to be. Whether we're going to break this support and crash into our final bottom of the bear market, or if we're going to bounce to repeat this next move up and down through the upwards channel of the current bear flag pattern. Let me show you what this looks like so you can maximize your profits in the next move. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Heads up, future forecast last week is covering a lot of important information concerning this drop we saw over the weekend. Our trading portal is showing a ton of information, including hypothetical trade setups and technical fundamental analysis across 40 coins. All of this and more available with a membership at the links in the description down below. And right now we are running our Memorial Day sale, which is giving you $800 off of our indicators. I'll show you more about that later, but for now we're going to get started. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager, and I'm going to bring out another indicator pretty quickly here. Currently, we sit in mild caution after topping out in neutral with red dots, which often, especially in a bear market, is resulting in drops. As the price approaches structure support, I would not be shocked at all to see us in concern or caution. Either of these are likely to call a support level. It's not until we see either a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager as a buy signal or a red volume bubble from the volume bubble indicator at that structure support level that we'll know if we're about to bounce or crash. A green bubble from the volume bubbles would also constitute a bounce from support. So really we're paying attention to volume bubbles here. If we get at the support level a red volume bubble, it means there is a ton of selling pressure and we're likely to crash to the downside. Green volume bubble just means there's a lot of buy volume and we're more likely to bounce. As we approach that structure support, watch the volume bubbles and the Pro Trade Manager closely. I want to talk to you about the potential of a crash and what this actually looks like as an entry opportunity. As the price drops, you want to be looking for fear and max fear along with a green dot. Historically, this is called the absolute bottom of Bitcoin, both in the 2022 bear market right here. Fear with green dots, and anywhere in this zone with green dots was also a fantastic entry of over 700% to the upside. And back in 2018, where once again we saw fear with a green dot call the absolute bottom, and anywhere in the fear or max fear zone being a great potential entry. From the absolute bottom called by these indicators to the top, this was over 2,000% profit. You see now why it is so crucial to pay attention to these indicator signals. If you see the price drop below structure support into fear or max fear with a green dot, you may have just found what is going to be the exact bottom, if not very close to it. And with that in mind, let's set some alerts because I want to make sure you aren't missing it. Missing out on even a couple percent of the drop could mean missing out on hundreds or even thousands of dollars of profit on the upside. So once you create an alert, click market cycle highs and lows, switch it to fear, once per bar close, and click create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows again. This time it'll be max fear, once per bar close, and click create. Last alert, Pro Trade Manager, keep it at a long entry short take profit, once per bar close, and click create. These are going to let you know once the market cycle highs and lows has dropped into fear or max fear. And if you get either of these at the same time as a long entry short take profit, signaling a green dot has appeared, this is the entry opportunity we are waiting for. With that in mind, guys, you're going to want to have these indicators on your charts as soon as possible. And we're starting our Memorial Day off early. And if you want to get access to the Trade Confident indicators up to $800 off, the maximum discount is available to our members, and that's including money-making benefits like future forecast videos, trading portal episodes, and more. Links are in the description down below. Membership is going to be the second link. I want you to click that, and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where we're giving you 25% off your first month. That's less than $50 to get started, and you can recoup that from the money making benefits. Head to the indicators tab, and with the coupon code at this link, reveal the membership coupon code. Just click it. It's going to work for the Pro Trade Manager, the market cycle highs and lows, the volume bubbles, and an additional indicator down here, the TC top and bottom finder. This is one of our legacy indicators, our number one most sold indicator, and we have helped over 10,000 users become better traders. Once you have the coupon code, just check out on Gumroad, go through the process, add each of the indicators you want to the cart, throw in the membership code, fill in your information, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the next hypothetical trade setups and future forecast episodes. Don't miss out.